Hi everyone, this is Infernal Toast. I'm going to be showing you all how to mine this ERC20 token. It's the very first mineable ERC20 token, and so it's actually decentralized, which means that there's now one owner of it. It's called 0xBitcoin. You can download the token miner software right there and start mining it, proof of work. Or you can click, scroll down here, you see some stats, and click on this address. So there's been quite a few transactions, 85,000 on the smart contract so far. It's launched about maybe early February this year. Here are all the transactions coming in. Let's look at this one right here. So this one looks like a mint. So somebody tried to mint some tokens out of the smart contract, and it worked. They sent in that nonce there. It has a lot of zeros it starts with, so they must have done quite a bit of mining to find that solution. So looks like there's about 100 gigahash of hash power pointed at the smart contract, mining these tokens out. Mine difficulty is about 15 million, 1.7 million tokens mined so far out of 21 million. Cool. So it's it's kind of like Bitcoin for Ethereum. It's kind of like a clone of Bitcoin. I guess take Bitcoin, write it in Solidity, and put it on Ethereum. It's basically what it is. So here's a mining pool. This is called tokenminingpool.com. You can see the hash rate here has been increasing over the last month or so. You can download the same exact token mining software right there, pointing at the pool, or you can mine solo. But not mining in a pool, so it has its advantages, of course. So you can also see everyone's account shares here. So here are all the miners mining to the pool. Got a couple of mining rigs, 2 gigahash, and then some solo video card miners all down here. Looks like almost 100 miners maybe right now. So quite a few tokens earned on some of those. But yeah, so that's the pool. Let's actually go and see how we might download this software. So here is the GitHub page for the mining software, Token Miner. Here's the package releases. This is what you want to click on right here. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to see there's a CUDA NVIDIA miner and an AMD miner. They're both open source. There's also the legacy CPU miner, but this solves proof of work to mine supported ERC20 tokens. So pretty cool. We're gonna just really quickly click on the download the CUDA GPU miner. So this is from someone named Ezrelia. We're going to go 2.9.0 pre-release 2. That's the best version. It's working on Windows 10 right now. Some other versions are kind of experimental. We've had the best success with this one, right now, as of, I guess, March 24th, 2018. Alright, so here are the files I downloaded. It looks like I've got 0xBTC miner win 2.9.0 pre2.zip. I'm going to extract that. Okay, and then I've got this folder here. So let's see here. I've got this executable file, this application. That's actually the miner, and there's 3 other .node files. These are required for the Node.js, kind of for the SHA hashing algorithm. Code is going to be in here, and this is needed for hashing. So, all right. So here's the 0xBitcoin miner. So we're in version 2.9.0 pre2 on Windows 10. So I'm going to just type help for list of commands. And it looks like we have the ability to make a new account, list all our accounts, select an account. We can pool mine. Okay, so I'm just going to type account list to see what's in here. Type a password to encrypt. Okay, so password. Create a new key store file. Okay, so accounts, there are none. All right, so I'm going to type pool list. It looks like we have tokenminingpool.com 8586 selected. Okay, but if we wanted to select a different pool, we would just type pool select and the URL for the pool. So in this case, it would be http tokenminingpool.com 8586. And then we'll do pool list again just to make sure. Yeah, of course. All right, so there's our pool. We've selected. We don't have an account, so I'm going to type account select, and then I'm going to paste in any old Ethereum public address. So here's one that I have lying around. Whenever we mine tokens, they're going to be deposited in this address by the pool. So enter. Okay, and now we go to account list. There we go. and it doesn't have a private key, but that's fine. We don't need a private key to pool mine. So we're just going to go pool mine CUDA, which means so pool mine will CPU mine. Pool mine CUDA will mine with a CUDA video card like NVIDIA, and then pool mine OpenCL will mine with an AMD video card that's using OpenCL. So I have NVIDIA card, so I'm going to use pool mine CUDA. Press enter, and we'll see that it's working. So it's difficulty set 205. We're getting some hashes here. We have an estimated hash rate, and it's just submitting a bunch of solutions to the pool. So that's about it. We're mining some tokens now. Alright, so here we are. We're at the pool. I've copied my address already, so I'm going to go to View Account Shares, and we're going to see all of the miners show up here. I'm going to just do Control F, do a search, and search my address. Oh, and there it is. Okay, so I'm miner 71. I'm getting some hashes here. I've accumulated some shares, and my var diff is 205, but it seems like it's going to be increasing, I'd imagine. So here's my shares I've submitted. If I wanted to see my invalid shares, they'd be here. Any of my payments and transfers would be down here. So, all right, looks like we're mining. I'm just going to let it run a little bit and just pull the difficulty up. Obviously, the difficulty will come up as we're mining more. The pool will automatically adjust your difficulty so that you're submitting a solution about every minute or so. That way, you're spending more time actually hashing and less time trying to communicate with the pool. That'll maximize the amount of tokens we get. And you don't have to worry about that. That'll happen all automatically. So that's about it. If you wanted to see some of the solutions the pool is submitting, again, you can look here. So whenever a pool submits a solution to the smart contract, it'll get tokens, and then it will disperse the tokens to everybody based on the number of shares they have. And then these are the transfers. You can see these are the payouts the pool makes to everybody with the Ethereum block hash. Or, I'm sorry, Ethereum block number all right here. So yeah, have fun. Let's do some token mining.